Remember, complex numbers have two parts: a real number followed by an imaginary number. The imaginary number I, remember, is the square root of -1. So a little factor we use is that I squared comes to -1. That's the imaginary part. No real number could possibly satisfy that equation. So we imagine that there is a number that does. Now, when we want to add complex numbers, we have to remember to add the real parts to the real parts and the imaginary parts to the imaginary parts, but not to each other. Like this. 3 plus 2i added to 4 take 3i. 3 plus 4 is 7. Positive 2 added to -3 is -1i. Sometimes we add multiples of complex numbers to each other. For instance, u plus 2w. u is 3 plus 2i plus 2. W is 6 minus I. Remember to use brackets so that the number 2 multiplies both parts. Distribute the 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times I is -2i. 3 plus 12 is 15. That's the real part. 2i minus 2i comes to 0i, which is better off left unsaid. So the answer to this one is just a real number. In a sense, it's a complex number because it has a real part of 15 and an imaginary part of 0. In that way, you can consider real numbers to be a subset of the complex number system.